in Kampala. Like, I don't want to be like, I'm all hyped like that. So you're listening as if I'm doing a podcast.
Yeah. Eventually, you're gonna. What is the place you're sleeping at?
It's City Suites, Acacia area.
Okay.
But it looks like some very, very hidden neighborhood of it. Let me see what's wrong. Oh, I come on. So you wanna? The guy doesn't live here.
Mm-hmm.
The guy doesn't live here. He said he lives in. Come with me. Come with me.
Where?
Come with me. Am I walking too fast? Welcome to my apartment. Come. Oh, you're not closing the door behind you? Oh, actually, the first thing is the kitchen. I don't know if let me turn on the lights. Oh, the light is free. From last night's cooking. The cabinet storage with glasses over here and cups.
The fridge?
Yeah, with everything. We had everything that was here.
There's chicken.
The sink. That's it, basically utensils. So the come. We go to the room first or the balcony? Oh, and the sitting area with a TV that we've never used. Yeah, just small sitting area. It's dirty.
It's alright. I don't understand.
Oh, and there's also, what is this called? There's an iron thingy. Let's go to the. Ta-da! Microphone on? Yeah, it's on. Why is yours lighting up so much? The bed, some cabinets, which I never used. Did you see this?
No.
Oh, and then there's a dressing mirror over here. Oh. There's a balcony area.
The wind is gonna blow it down.
I'm done. That's the balcony area. Actually, I've noticed if you come here, you can have like a little view of the city. Not so much, just a little. What's that tall building over there?
There?
What's that tall building?
I don't know. I'm not Ugandan.
You, you what?
I don't know what the tall building is.
But you can have like a slight view of the city.
How much was the apartment?
$10 a night. That is what? 37,000 Ugandan money, shillings. Yeah.
You get this view.
What did I? Oh, it's also like close to the mall or whatever. What else is close by? What is nearby? The mall.
The museum.
What? The museum.
Mm-hmm.
And wait, the cultural center, is it close to here? Is it close by?
Not that close, but it's close.
Like you can use a motorbike.
Motorbike to the other side of Utinda. Now we're at Mulago. So
you're in like what? Mulago?
Mulago, yeah, close to
Oh,
Pamoja place.
you said something yesterday.
It's a mix of the rich and the poor.
Oh,
Yeah, so this
no, but
part,
this place is like surrounded by
the neighborhood, the ghetto.
yeah, and also this is it
There's a
surrounded
ghetto
by
low-key, but then it's on the hill. So on the hill has the
mm,
beautiful houses.
yeah.
And then when you continue going the other side, Kololo side, it's expensive.
But I feel like the guys who bought the land around here, everyone's just building this kind of like apartments.
Because, yeah, obviously, because
Mm,
it's on the hill and just, it's
okay.
beautiful.
Thanks.
It's beautiful,
I feel
really.
like belching.